Hi, my name is Jubin with Dana Legal Services. And recently, one of my clients asked me the question, what is it you need to do to file for foreign protection? In other words, applications for patent in other countries. So in this video, we're going to discuss a little bit the process of filing for patent protection in other countries outside of the US. The process is pretty simplified in terms of what you need to do and what you need to prepare. So there is a thing called the Patent Cooperation Treaty, PCT. It's an application that you can file, and that application allows you to designate about 172 countries, I believe. I don't remember the number off the top of my head. Apologies. We'll look it up and put it in the video. But essentially, you can designate multiple countries with one application. Now remember, filing a PCT application does not get you patent protection in any country. A PCT application is simply a step you take to preserve your rights to file patent applications in other countries. There are two ways to start the PCT process. You can start the PCT process right away just by filing a PCT application. It's similar to what a US application would require in terms of content. You have to have a written description, you have to have figures, and you have to have claims. You file the application, and then within a certain period of time, you are then required to enter each individual country. Typically, that time period is 30 months. Now, a PCT application can also be started based on a US application. So you could have first filed in the US or any other country, but let's take US as an example. You could have first filed your patent application in the US and then filed a PCT application. If you want to do that and you want to claim the priority date of the US patent application, then you need to file your PCT application within 12 months. So if you file it within 12 months, you have another 18 months before you have to enter any country. So you can either start a PCT application right away and file it and give yourself a 30-month window, or you can file a patent application in any country, say for example the US, and then within 12 months file your PCT application. And if you do it at the 12-month mark, then you will have another 18 months before you have to enter other countries. That's basically the sum and substance of a PCT application and how it works. Remember, you can file a PCT application right away and then enter the US off of your PCT application, as well as entering other countries within that 12-month window. Or you can file in the US first and then file your PCT application within the 12-month window. One other point to remember is that a PCT application, the fee that you pay is very high. It's nearly $4,000 to file the application and the fee you pay to the PCT office. And there's various offices that receive it. And the fees go up and down a little bit, but roughly it's around the $4,000 mark. It also depends on the number of pages you have and so forth. So in general, you can enter a PCT in two ways. One, just go straight and file a PCT application in any of the countries that are designated as the receiving office. Or you can file in a country and based on that filing, file your PCT application within a 12-month window if you want to claim the priority date of the filing in that country. My name is Jubin with Dana Legal Services. Here's our contact info. We have links to other videos that are discussed or I mentioned. So please take a look at those. And if you have any questions, reach out. Take care.